How to sell online meditation and relaxation sessions on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started by explaining first this platform. So Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other products that other people made. So here, if you are watching closely, you will see or you will notice that most of the products that we have in this platform are handmade products. As you can see in here, we have a lot of handmade products. So to see what I'm going to show you in this video, let's just click on one of these products. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page like this one, how to add the images of your product or the video if you have one. Also, I'm going to show you how you can add all of these details like the size, personalization type. Also, I'm going to show you how you can add the item details like these two handmade materials, and also how to write a good description for your product. And I'm going to show you, last but not least, how to set your shipping and return policies. So let's just close this tab and let's go back to the main page. Click on sign in and click on register to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just click on sign in and then you proceed to clicking on the shop manager button. So let's just wait for it to complete its loading, as you can see in here, and click on the shop manager button, which will take us to setting our shop. Click on the shop preferences, go to the shop language, and here you will need to fill the shop language, country, and currency. And if you noticed, they are already filled automatically, so I'm just going to change the currency to the United States dollar and then click on save and continue. After that, you choose a name for your shop. So here I'm just going to type my niche's name as my shop name, and I'm going to shorten it, and I'm going to delete this online meditation relaxation. Let's see what we can also delete. Let's remove meditation and then click on save and continue. Then you proceed to add in some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So here you just upload some pictures of the product. As you can see in here, use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. Tips: use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. So guys, make sure at least to upload one picture of the product, which is the minimum, and the maximum, I think, more than 10. You can upload more than 10 pictures in the platform. Then you have the video. If you already have a video of your product, you can just upload it in here. If not, just film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make the videos that sell, just click on this link. Then we have the listing details, where you type the title of your product and who made it. I did. What is it? A finished product. When did you make it? Not made yet. Recently or vintage. Let's go with recently. And then you choose the category of your product. Let's go with the first one. Then you have some other primary or some other additional details to fill, like the primary color, the secondary color, occasion, holiday, renewal option. So here for the renewal options, if you want an automatic renewal, go with this one, and if you want a manual one, click on this one. Then we have the type of the product, if it's physical or digital product, like in my case. And then we have the description, so make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners, if you have any. If not, just leave it empty. And then we have these three other details, like the section, tags, materials, which are optional. Let's leave them for later. And then we have the inventory and pricing. Here make sure to write a good price for your product, counting the profit, the margins, and so on. Then here you type the quantity that you have in that product, if it's 2 pieces, 3, 4 or more. And here if you have a SKU number, you can just type it in here. If not, just leave it empty. And then we have the personalization. If you have it, you can turn it on. If not, you can just turn it off. And here you upload your file in this plus button. Just click on the plus button and then you upload your file. And you can also add up to 5 more files if you have them. Then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges policy. So for the digital products, there are no returns or exchanges. Buyer can contact seller about any issues with an order. And when you're done with filling all of these details, click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.